investors, I am Peter Imedio, the lead consultant of Lagos property market. I am so excited because one of my clients' dream have just come true. When we launched Itunu residential, he asked me, Peter, please, I need a commercial property very close to the main road. And I told him that in a few months' time, that will be granted. And today, his dream have just come true. He has just come to inspect. So, those of you who are looking for commercial property, here it is, Itunu City. So you are welcome to Itunu City, not too far from Itunu Residential. When Itunu Residential was launched, it was at its introductory price by 16 million naira. It was increased to 26 million, and then currently is selling for just 35 million naira. This property is as its introductory price, the pre-launch price. Why should you buy into this property? One, the price here is far below the market price. Guess what? 300 square meter is just going for 12 million naira only. 500 square meter is going for 20 million naira. And the premium blocks, the commercial blocks, 1,000 square meter is just going for 65 million naira only. With just down deposit of 3 million, 5 million, and 10 million, you can lock down a unit and spread the balance for over 1 year. The title on this piece of property is perfect. C-of-O. Your investment in this place is secured, safe, and guaranteed. Now, how will you make up to 100% return on your investment in Itunu City? It is simple. The rate of property appreciation in this axis of Lagos is very high. Remember, Itunu Residential, which is a stone throw from here, was launched less than 6 months ago with an introductory price of 16 million naira. Now it is selling for 35 million naira. You do the maths. Itunu City is still selling at its pre-launch price. After a while, the prices will go up. This is as a result of the prime location of the estate. This estate is facing Lekki-Epe Expressway and also very close to the proposed international airport. It is in the center of a business district. More so, there will be commercial space within the estate. Dangote refinery and fertilizer is not too far from here. So also is Elegaza Industrial City. Other major landmarks include Alaro City, Pan Atlantic University, Itunu Residential, and much more. So all this means more patronage, which will translate into more income, which will result to property appreciation, high rental income, and a higher resale value. To add to the benefits in Itunu is the superb modern amenities that will be in this place. We are going to have Tech City, mini golf course, park and garden, green area. There is going to be water parks and lake, central business district. We are going to have family entertainment center. There is going to be 24 hours electricity, good network of roads, and 24 hours security. My dear smart investors, come and buy now. This is the right time. The estate is still selling as its pre-launch prices, far below the market value. Itunu City is one of the fast-selling estates in the Lagos market right now. The future is now. Give me that call so that we take you for either virtual or physical inspection, and take you through the process of owning a unit or more in this place. Turn on the notification bell by subscribing to the channel. You can also like, comment, or share with a friend or a relative who may need a property like this one. Call me so that we have it done. You'll be glad you did. Thank you.